There's footage of that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it rained debris over the whole United States. So
Yeah.
and they got almost all the pieces. The the full technical explanation would I think be understood by about 6 people listening to this. There was a lot of brilliant engineering in the space shuttle tiles, and a bunch of the heat shielding wasn't even tiles. It was actually silica blankets, like felt blankets essentially. If you look closely, you'll see it actually is. They're actually heat blankets, not tiles in some areas. But they would have cracked tiles, and they would have occasionally the tiles would fall off. There were a few close calls where tiles fell off, but they weren't in a super vulnerable position on the space shuttle. But it would take them several months, like 8-9 months, to refurbish a space shuttle between each flight. So it was not reusable, really, and it certainly wasn't rapid. So, like I said, a very hard problem. You've got to have you've also got to sort of attach the tiles in a way that enables the structure underneath to move, to expand and contract, even though you've got these very rigid tiles. Like the tanks, which take on cryogenic propellant, will contract when you put in the cryogenic propellant, but then when you come in and you get very hot, they will expand. So now you're contracting and expanding the gap between these rigid tiles.
But how much?
It varies depending on where you are on the vehicle. So if you're in the cryogenic tank section, like you can see like a 10-20% difference in the gap.
Really?
It's pretty significant, yeah.